Hello viewers, welcome to Happy Streamers. In this video, I will show you how to use OBS Studio. This is OBS Studio interface. On top, there are some menu options. From there, click View. From here, you can turn off and on status bar, source icon, source toolbar, etc. From dock, you can turn off scene box, which is on the bottom. You can turn off sources if you don't want that, but it is very important. You can turn off audio mixer. If you click there, it will be gone. If you click it again, it will show up again. From tools, you can auto configure. If you want to do streaming only, select the first one. If you do only recording, select the second one. Let's go to bottom. From here you can add scene and create different sources to each scene. Let's add a new scene by clicking plus, then click OK. Now from sources, you must have to add source to record or stream. Click plus icon and select your audio source, display source. If you want to record game or stream game, you can select game capture. You can add webcam by clicking video capture device. Let's add a display source. Click OK. Now you can see this is your display. If you have different monitor, like if you have second monitor, you can change the display from here. If you want to delete your sources, right click to source, then select remove, then yes. From audio mixer, you can change the volume. Next, transition. From here, you can change the transition effect. From control, this is the most important one. From here, you can start your streaming, start your recording, and you can go to setting from here too. Let's go to setting. On general, you can change your language, your theme. On stream menu, you can add your service and connect to it. On output, you can select the setting for streaming, for recording, for audio. From audio, you can change the sample rate, etc. From video, you can change the resolution. You can add also hotkeys by going to hotkeys and bind key. From accessibility, that's not very important. You don't have to change any of that. You can go to advanced and get more option. That's all. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thank you.